Hurricane strength winds came through, and I'm very grateful and very blessed that we didn't have more damage. Annabelle was upset about her kitchen. I was more concerned about the propane. It's not sure if it's usable or not. The pool survived it. I am so grateful that there's not more damage. God, I hope the propane's not busted, or the line. But if it is, I'll figure it out later. And Annabelle needed more. I don't know what happened with that kitchen. It's just broken in several places. I don't think we're going to try to figure out how to fix it. My fence is completely broken down. Wow. Might need help with that. I have to figure out how to fix that fence. Haha. Yeah, that's just broke completely down. I can't walk past it because they've got this side tied off from the pool, which is also fun. I gotta try and figure that one out. It looks just like tree branches on it. Thankfully they tied it down good. Well, we have taken the pool down and put it up for the winter. We've just got to get the vacuum back in the house. Move the kids' toys out a little so they'll have a place to play. Finish picking up the garbage. He was able to get the fence put back up, so it looks good. Some of her broken pieces from her kitchen are still over there. I can only put so much in the garbage cans every week, or I might get in trouble. Let's see. I love that painting. I got that painted on there the year my daughter passed away. Leave a comment and tell me, do you know that dragon? Everybody knows that dragon, right? Elliot? It was painted by an 11-year-old boy and his mother. I think it's so awesome. I like to sit out here and relax. Right now it's kind of messy, but I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. And the grill does work because we barbecued a couple days ago. Just had to get it moved back to the backyard. I've still got to clean up back here a bit. You can tell the kids' toys are out everywhere. Wow. Little toy, little slide, and then they have that planter. Then they have a big toy house. It's supposed to house all their little toys in it. Isn't working so good. Then they have that slide, and then they have that swing. And they should have plenty to entertain them throughout the entire winter. That they got 2 years ago for Christmas. The slide playhouse thing from their godfather. I bought them the swing set for her birthday this year, mainly because it has a saucer swing on it. That one right there. She had went to a family activity before this whole corona thing started, and she really likes it. You can see James was back in the corner weeding out that garden bed before fall. Well, wait, we're in fall. He's getting the weeds out of there so I can see my lavender again. I try to just have healthy things growing like lavender, mint, lemongrass. But right now, it's been overrun by weeds. So he's working on that for me. And if you can tell me who this is, that's so cool. Have a wonderful day today. Stay safe. And God bless you all.